In this part, I want to create a triangle using CSS. It happens that in our course, we want to create a triangle with CSS. How can we create these triangles? Because we don't have a shape for a triangle. I'll go here and create a div with the class of shape, and in this part, I'll say that the width of my shape is 200 pixels. And its height is also 200 pixels. We can give body display flex, set justify content to center, and set align items to center too, so that this shape of ours will be placed at the center. I'll also give it a background to see what it looks like. See, this is our shape. If I give it a height of 100 VH so that it uses the entire height, then this will be placed right at the center like this. This is a square which we have created. I'll change its color to red. Now we have created a red square. Okay, what I want to do next is that I want to give it a border button. A 10 pixel solid black border bottom is what I give it. See what it looks like. This is its border bottom. If I give it a border left, a 10 pixel solid, for example, this color, here this color, and if I give it a border right too, similar to this but with a different color, for example this color, blue, and let's make this green, this one blue and this one green. Now we have a green border, a blue border, and a black border. This one should be border right. See, we have a border right, a border left, and a border bottom. If I zoom in here, see what the border looks like. It now has become angled. If I go here and remove this left and right, see it loses its angles. But when we have it, it gives us the angle. The question is, where does this help? Look here, I'll remove the width and also I'll remove the height. That is, we remove the width and height of this shape. Please note how it looks now. Our border left, which is green, our border right, which is blue here, and our border bottom that you can see is black, have formed this triangle with the border bottom. Now I just need to make the colors of these two transparent. I mean, the color of border left should be transparent, and also for border right, it should be transparent, like so. As you can see now, their color is red. Why? Because it has a background, that is our shape. After removing the background, as you can see, we have successfully created a triangle with the tip pointing upwards. I'll copy this code and paste it here. At first I used the width and height so that you could see how we created this triangle, but it's just enough to give it a border bottom with any color you want, and then make border left and border right transparent. What I mean is the two borders on the sides must be transparent. Now please note that when we wanted to have a triangle with the tip pointing upwards, we gave it a border bottom with black color and we made the borders on the left and right transparent. Suppose we want to create a triangle with the tip pointing downwards, so now we must say it has a border top to have it look like this. See, it's downwards, its right and left are transparent, and it looks like this. Now what if we wanted the tip to be pointing to the left? Then we would need to use a border right. See, border right. It looks like this now and we can see it. Why? Because now we have two border rights. The ones on the sides will become border top and bottom. That is, we need to set one of them to border top transparent and the other bottom. The two on the sides, whatever it is, for each of the borders, for example, now border right, we should make them, that is here top and bottom, transparent to turn it to the left. If we wanted it to point to the right, we just need to give it a border left, then the tip will point this way. So we can easily create triangles using two transparent borders and one colored border. Now you can also change these values to change the size of the triangle. For example, I'll change these to 15 pixels and it will look like this. Or if you want it to appear longer, for example, I'll set this to 30 pixels. Consequently, this part becomes longer. That's how we create triangles. Until next time.